Good job.
Okay.
I want to see the guys. Okay. There you go.
I got a real dumb jack.
How about you? Are you eating too? You showing the guys? Oh, yeah.
Tasty. You're tasty, Mom.
Yeah. She's doing good.
Look at mine.
Did you teach her? Yeah, good job, boys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy? Yeah. Mommy's gonna get coffee, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Are you using your spoon?
Done.
Are you? Using your hands? Okay. Yum. Yummy. Ooh, good job.
Mommy, I'm almost done.
Oh my gosh. Kuya, good job. Say good job, Kuya. Well done, Kuys. Do you want more?
Thanks.
No thanks? Okay.
Hey,
You want more?
Mom, I'll drink the milk after this.
Okay.
But that.
Good job. Bye-bye. Oh. Look, he's drinking milk. I'll get you milk, baby. No coffee, Kuya. I'll get you milk.
I drink milk here in my bowl.
Good job.
Yeah,
Yummy.
because the meat doesn't
Good job, boys. There you go. That's it. Yum. Yeah.
Done.
Done.
Thank you, Mom.
Amazing. You're welcome.
Mommy, I'm playing right now.
Of course you can play.
Mommy,
Yeah?
I'll get Michelle. I shoot him. I can need to get a shoe.
You want to shoot them? Okay. Go shoot them.
That?
Tita? You want to shoot Tita too?
Mommy, I'll shoot Michelle and Tina.
Okay. Yeah. Shoot
Can I
them.
go upstairs?
You can you put that in the sink first?
Okay.
Yeah.
Both of them?
Yes.
Okay. This is heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Mommy,
Yeah.
is it heavy? I just need to do that.
Yeah.
Or do this.
That's right. Yeah.
I need something to help me just point it and then shoot. But I do have those upstairs, so I need to get it.
Okay.
And then
Put
I
that in the
shoot
sink
them.
first. Yeah.
Me,
Need help?
Penny, I'll put this one into the other bowl.
Hmm? No, put your gun down first. Put your gun down and put that in the sink.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Mommy didn't do this.
Oh yeah. Easy. Go for it, please.
And then catch my gun. Oh! Oops. I'm doing it, Mom.
Good job, Kuya.
I put my gun down.
Yay, well done. Thank you, boys.
So you'll come.
Very good, Didi. Are you an independent baby? Yeah? Good job. Mommy's coffee's ready.
No. Này. Okay.
Good eating. You eat, Mama's gonna have coffee. Good job. You enjoy with titas today, okay? Because malapit na yan sila umalis. You will miss them, Didi. Perfect yung ano nila, yung pagpunta nila dito, ang pagstay nila dito ng matagal kasi school holidays. So they get to hang out with the kids a lot. And it's a really big help as well. Like, I have 2 other people helping me, you know. It's so good. Tita's here! Pero alis na sila soon.
Happy day.
Happy day. Say happy day to Tita. Where's Tita? Show Tita you're eating. Show Tita you're eating. Good job. Siya day. Siya kaon. Dapat yung milk.
Sa pamandi ay.
Pero gikamot.
At sa pamandi ng bataan.
Bahala na lang na.
Sa pamandi ng bataan.
Tugpas ay laday.
Tugpat eh.
You know what? I-check na to ang balay ni Miss.
Ano, sana?
Yeah. Basta hindi na ninyo ma-visit before mo
Yeah.
malakad.
Wow, mga visit mo.
Tira.
Lagi ka.
Careful. Pwede ram sa di. Pwede na sa nako ikaw mo ha. Ganahan ka sunny-side up mo ha? Pwede na siya kayo. Sunny-side up mo. Ang usa? Lutuan natin ang itlog tong dalawa. Mag-ano daw sila, eggs and pandesal. Kasi may pandesal pa eh. Alam mo, gusto ko puntahan yung Long Life Asian. Yung maraming mga exotic fruits. May apis. Okay. Michelle, coffee. Ang aga lumabas ni Michelle, dinala ni Indy dun sa labas. Ayan, napasok na.
Hindi mo scramble yun eh.
Dili. So magkuan ko usa. Usa dili. Unahan lang ako.
Ang isa ka lang, para ka na scramble.
Ito na, nga fluffy pa.
Yeah.
Parang milk damay. Hindi lang na siya.
Babot na babe!
Ikaw ni sunny-side up lang mo sa day. Yaman. Pwede na dyan. Unahang gani na ko mo ha.
Scramble lang yun tayo.
Ha? Pwede na ako. Dili mo pumunta mo ka. Ikaw. Usa lang ang ibili. Yan na pa rin.
Ah, sakto rin ito.
Yan, na meal.
Iwitita na ako day! Ah, ganun siya. Which one?
Atong ibutang sa kuha ni mo habi para pareha kang dami.
Ah!
For
Hindi na
perfect
siya-
yung pandisan.
Ganahan natin buto-buto.
Tidits! Perfect!
What do you say?
Ayan! Ano ka ba? Kaliwa. Takaasin ka ng random nun. Daghan lang sa kay tao rin mo.
Kamot na weekend.
School holiday. Friday.
Have it, Mom?
So, ano rin?
Yeah. The guys, you wanna say hi to the guys? Okay. Ito na naman, nagtawag na naman ng guys. Nagtawag na naman ng guys ang aking di. I love you, my dear. Where do you wanna go today?
Love yung yakot. Tira!
Oh, Tita, ask Tita. Say, Tita, where do you wanna go? Go ask Tita.
You got some yakot.
Where do you wanna go, Tita?
Mom, you got some yakot.
Okay,
I'll
you can have
shake
Yakult. Okay, shake it. Did you ask Tita? What did Tita say?
Thank you.
Huh? Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You say?
Thank you. Ang perfect ng itlog, oh. Ah, cute. Okay. Ayan, kay Madam. Request ni Madam. Tara, Dam. Here you go, Dam. Say happy day. Ay, yay. Target lock. Ang itlog.
Itlog. Ako na.
Ang itlog ni Tita. Tingnan mo.
Ako
Ay,
na.
may itlog.
Oy, ako na.
Si Ingrid. Uy, grabe naman ka di. Uy, you just had breakfast. Nasaan na si Ayla?
Ate!
Ate! Aww.
Gidaw. Taon pa ka, ana.
Si Ate. Where is she?
Init pa, init. Hot.
May balik siya sa taas.
Galing ko sa stairs.
Kami, ate!
Ate Ella, come here.
Hindi mo nandun ang tulog sa itong ate. Taas ang takay to.
Kain na naman siya, guys.
Kaya
Yeah, kumain na yan ng cereal. Ayan, kain na naman. Oh. Ang galing na niya. Oh! Good job. Init.
Blow. Ate Ella, come here. Let's
Blow the egg. Why blow? Hala.
More pa?
Hutdan mo tag-itlog ni mo, day.
Nagtuon mo kung di siya maka-kaundag.
It's akong...
siya gaon.
Yeah, wait. Pwede gagmayon? Yeah, here. Use your fork.
Hindi, ikaw na siya pinaka-cute ni bata.
Use your fork. Use your fork. Oh, hands. Hands is fine. Haladay ka ba kang sa'yo? Ketchup.
Ketchup, hala.
Tomato? A milk? Milk?
Sobra ka na talagang bata ka. Ha? Sabi na na yung pagkaon, de. Hello, can you volume down a little bit, please? Yeah, what happened? I volume it down already.
Who's that? Hi, Ate.
Hello. She said
Sino yung ate niya?
Hi, Ate.
baby. Oh, yummy. Do you wanna eat?
Ate, what's wrong?
You wanna eat breakfast?
That was a long
You wanna have a
sleep.
rest for a little bit? Rest? Do you want me to put you on the couch? You stay there? Okay. Look at that. You can stay there. Yummy? Ate. Yeah. Naay ko andi to day.
Ha?
Naay ay,
Saman.
maglancham data. Anak ako naay ko andi to longganisa. Nauna na ako ba nga gawas na nako kay nasa freezer. Pero naam dito ko an. Yam cham data uma. Yeah, yes.
Kaya makaipit dumato sa...
Winter what? Kumakain na naman. Kain na naman siya, guys. Sinabayan niya si ate.
Say mommy.
Pangatlong kain na niya to.
Say
In
mama.
the morning.
Say mama. Mimi. Say mama. Pika. Say mama.
Tita.
No,
Who's your favorite, mommy or daddy?
Tita.
Who? Mommy or daddy?
who's your favorite, mommy or daddy?
Chili. You guys, it's 1:41. Alis kami siguro in 15 minutes. So I'm cleaning up. Kasi look at the kalat. May dentist appointment pala kami. Nakalimutan ko. Buti na lang tumawag si Dan. Sabi niya, uwi ako ng bahay para sabay na tayo umalis. And it clicked. Oh yeah, may dentist appointment pala kami. Nasa calendar ko siya. Nakalimutan ko lang. Let us clean up. Ang messy. O, tingnan nyo naman yan. Napatulog ko si Indy, so iwan ko na lang si Indy with the girls. Kasi hindi naman sila aalis.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely How close to me baby just like
Oh my gosh, Ayla. Very strong smell. Let me see your perfume. Uy, Ayla, paubos na to. Parang kakakuha lang niya nito the other day. Tingnan nyo, dito na. Less than halfway na. You happy with what you're wearing?
Yeah.
Yep, nice. Leave it down your hair, you said. Oh my gosh, you put some perfume on your head. Ay, nako.
But Daddy outside.
Very strong.
Look
The scent. Oh, wow, let me see. Oh, wow, cool.
Ninja.
It's so cool.
It's a baby ninja, Mama.
Yeah.
Can I see? See the baby ninja.
Very well done, Kuya.
Cause you tiny baby ninja.
I love it.
And these are the baby hot. No, that's okay. That's okay.
Wear your Crocs, Alo. Ayla, what are you gonna wear?
Sandals.
Okay, you can wear your
I don't have
sandals.
much work.
Yung suot ko. Diba? Yung nabili natin sa Adidas.
Why, Mama?
Maganda siya, manipis lang siya. Pero meron akong t-shirt underneath. Yung suot-suot ko kanina.
Mom,
And then just
they're a little bit
flare,
my size
parang
now.
pants.
They're a little bit of my size.
Yeah. Hindi ko na maalala kung saan ko ito nabili, guys. Hindi ko alam. Tagal na ito sa akin. And small bag lang. Kasi walang in dito, guys. Walang nappy bag. No, no, no. Ikaw. Not that one. Maybe this one. This one? Come on, boys. Boys.
You're worrying,
Oh,
baby.
yeah. Good job. Uy. Did you brush your teeth properly?
Yes,
Let me see. Very good. Very good. Alright. Yeah?
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
These two have to put next to each other with your first baby teeth,
Yeah.
so they grow.
Looks good, my love. Ganda yung suot ni Dan. Binigay yan ni, ano pala, ni Miss at saka ni Michelle. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo, but meron silang mga pasalubong galing New Zealand. Isa yan. Binigyan
It's a
nila
nice
ng
material actually.
It is,
really,
yeah.
really soft.
binigyan nila dalawang t-shirt si Dan. And then, binigyan nila ako yung parang oven mitt. And then yung mug din. Yeah. Yeah, hindi ko napakita yun. But, pinakita ni Miss sa vlog niya. So, panoorin niyo yung vlog ni Miss, guys. Maingay kasi inopen ni Arlo yung kanyang window dun sa likod. We're here, guys.
That was quick.
I told you. Told you, man.
Hopefully, there's a car park. Yes!
English brushing skills, be honest, please.
Are you helping as well? Are you brushing? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, lock yourself. Alright, let's have a bit of a look. So.
Good boy, Ale.
Yeah, good morning. Really wide? Yay, so get right back there, that's great. That's good, and we'll get the bottom ones. And then we're going to get you to have a good rinse with water so you can get the gritty paste out. But it's all really good, it looks great.
Well done, Arlo.
Last bit.
Is he allowed to have a Mentos tonight or not tonight?
Yeah.
Is it a dessert one?
Yeah, she's got good space as well, so really wide. Yeah, so hopefully they will come through nicely. The adult ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Good job, Arlo.
Yeah.
Guys, tapos na kami. I'm very numb around here kasi inayos niya yung feeling ko. So I had
So you can't feel hot.
feeling. I can't feel it, yeah. So I have to be very careful with hot food. Like if I want to drink something.
Hello. Cool. Thank you very much.
So you can't drink hot chocolate.
I can, but I just gotta be really careful because I can't feel it. You know?
Need more cup holders.
It's okay.
Well, can I give that back to you? Is that okay? Thank you. Cheers. Right. Let's check this sauce.
Good?
It's very hot. Very hot,
Yeah.
the chips.
Yeah.
Fresh
Oh,
ones.
yum. What do you guys want?
Oh, cheeseburger. Mine chips. I'm a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Do we have cheeseburger?
Yeah, that should be 3 cheeseburgers in there.
Oh, really?
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, guys. Really fresh. Cheeseburger for Arlo. Let me open it for you, boys. Here you go. What do you want, Isla?
My chips.
Chips?
Mommy, I'm going to rubbish.
Really hot chips?
Mommy, the rubbish.
Okay.
Yep. You like the cheeseburger, Arlo? Me too.
Mama. Mama. Let me know.
Oh. You're so makois. He doesn't like that pickle.
There are pickles.
Hello, you're like Mama Kuya.
Yeah. You kidding me? You want me to try?
Look at my 2pn. My 2pn look. Meron pa yan dyan. Tutupi tayo, guys. Makinig ako ng podcast. Well, magtutupi tayo. Tulog pa si Indy. So, natapos na kami sa dentist at lahat. Weird talaga dito. Very numb yung dito ko. And pagdating namin, tulog pa din si Indy. So, magtupi tayo habang walang disturbo. Kapag nagtutupi, dapat walang mga batang disturbo or wala si Indy kasi ginugulo niya. Kunin ko lang yung phone ko.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 따뜻한 너의 품 거울 들어 이렇게 눈 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 나는 사랑과 내게 쳐도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweetest 누군가 나에게 어디가 그렇게 좋냐고 물어보면 난 이렇게 대답할래 내게 10번의 기회가 있다도 나에게 올린 해가 2번 아니 3번 뜰 때까지 너의 옆에 Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah 이런 맘정야 I wanna know everything about you 살짝 몰래 내게 입 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 나는 사랑과 내게 쳐도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweetest It might be too early to say But I found the love of my life 너도 나와 같은 맘인걸 The way you make me feel is gonna change the way I used to be 잊혀질 환상일까 두려워하는 나의 손을 잡아줄 거란 뜻을 알아 Baby take my hand You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 나는 사랑과 내게 쳐도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweet You're my teddy bear, my teddy bear 이대로 시간이 멈춘대도 좋아
do you say to tita?
Oh,
What do you say?
thank you.
Say thank you.
Dilaan na tayo.
Say thank you. Yummy? Yummy. Ano to guys? Rice at saka atay ng manok. No, atay. Ah, good job, Didi! Yeah. Baby, that's Ayla. Yeah, baby. That's ate.
You're a benign girl, okay?
Yummy, Di? Is it yummy? What do you say to tita? Happy day, okay. Guys, happy day. Oh no! I'll give you smaller spoon.
Ano na mo yate?
And this one? Smaller spoon? Yeah, thank you. What do you say? Thank you. Yummy? Can mommy help? Can mommy feed Didi? No? Can I help? Like this? Into the mouth? Yes, that's it. You like it? Like it?
It's not bitter, Lee.
No. Mommy help. Good job.
Pagka-cute naman dun.
Yum, yum. You like atay? Yummy atay, no? Oh, yummy. You do it yourself. Yeah.
Sorry yan, magkakapit din, right?
Ay, kalamian ni sa soft drinks in day. Hala, wala natin ko. Magkuan ko? Wala na coke, no?
Napay?
Ade.
Nasa ikinang kanta.
Ah, okay. Look at our ulam. Adobong atay ng manok. Thank you very much.
Buwan ako, okay?
Hindi na naman tayo pipigilan itong batang bae. Yummy, yummy! Yummy, yummy. What do you say to tita? Thank you. Good job. Good manners. Thank you, Ita. Blow kiss, tita.
Thank you.
Say thank you, tita. Ay, ano pala to? Heart and liver.
Alright.
Let's eat sis. Yeah, so, mana ka here. Yeah.
Dapat mo natin check ka nang may unong check.
Nagboy din.
Let's eat.
Peace and quietly.
Tita, nahulog lagi daw yung watermelon.
Nahulog? Ah, kaon ako.
Ayaw ko.
Dirty man eh.
Nahapot pa to sila somewhere.
Wala. Bago pa kayo na. Nagsugod 5:30. Mahuman 6.
Ah.
Katong nga to ulit. Swimming pala yung dalawa. Kaya wala sila.
Mana to sa gate ah? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Guys, inuman tayo. Whoa. This fish skin from Singapore. Si Don Bong. Oh, what is that? What is it? Show daddy. Say daddy, look, I love it. She got twisties. Kung ano-ano na lang talaga. Walang batang, walang inuurungan. Lahat lalabanan. Ito, mamaya, kakain din to nito. Ayan, oh. Nakaupo na siya, oh. Oops. I'm moving, Baba. I'm going to the other lounge. Yeah. You want to hang out with Mama here? Let's hang out. Let's bonding. Alright, let's bonding. Bonding like this. I love you. Bonding. Yay! Kain kami dito guys, pulutan ba? Banding nih. Banding tayo deh. Yeah. Hanap kami ng pulutan. Magmumuskato kami.
Here you go.
Ah,
You want some, JJ?
nanonood kami ng movie eh. Yung pinapanood namin Life of the Part. Pinost lang namin kasi gusto namin magmuskato nga. Come on, Didi.
Good boy, Arlo.
Bring your bowl, Didi. Bring your bowl.
Bring your bowl.
Just go to me to make that.
Dili na mo.
Ayaw ha? No, no, no.
Michelle, say to go to me.
Huh?
Say to go to
Good
me.
job, Arlo. What'd you do? Why you a good job?
Because I'm just,
No, no
I'm
problem.
going to need her food.
Ah, good job, boy.
I don't know.
Kung asa ang bagong plastic, gauna ka. Thank you.
Mommy, this is a hot challenge.
Sige, sige. Makurata na ron. Sige.
Basi mo kalit nagkagawas day ha?
Sige, ano, yapit na.
Uwa na kayo kung naong din. Papuyo kayo nung din. Ako, si pa doon!
Hala, kikit siya nila. Mangla. Sayayaan ni mo ay. Go, Sizzy. Hindi, look at this.
Look at Tita.
Look at Tita.
Aga, hiya na gindi.
Hapit na.
Gawas na day ha? Mulupad ba? Ay! Ako may nakuyawan noon. Layas. Layas ni layas. Iskot eh.
That's disgusting, Mom.
Oh, wait for Tita
Okay,
and
cheers. Are we
Mommy.
gonna cheers?
Asa man?
I want to play games.
Cheers, Didi.
Cheers,
3,
Play
2, 1. Cheers!
Cheers! Good job, Didi.
I play games. I'll play games.
Cheers to
Okay.
Palabay na po na yun.
Cheers, Di. Good job! Dapat kasi daw tutunog yan.
Oh,
Ah.
okay, thank
Dapat
you.
matunog. Nawa na, basa na dire. Kaya grabe kay ka. Oh. Oh.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. No more cheers. Oh, cheers. Thank you.
Mama, can I play
Thank you.
video?
Ayan si Arlo. Gusto niya to.
Can I bomb that water gun?
Yep.
The big ones?
How does this feel on your head?
Gun? We're gonna bomb the big ones
Yep.
with Dad, and the little ones for me.
Yep. One for Dad and one for you.
Yeah, big ones for Dad and tiny ones for me.
So you can have a battle.
Yeah. A water battle, big one in Nanny's pool.
Ooh, that sounds good. Good idea. Ito yung na-order ko sa Yes Style. Ayan. May red light. Tapos it massages your scalp. Guys, matulog na ako. Oh my gosh. It's 11:44. Late na naman. Lagi kaming late na tutulog lately. Kasi may mga bisita tayo. Late na tutulog. Pero okay lang. Kasi late din naman kami nagigising. Pero yeah, tulog na ako. Good night. Bye. Be good.